Mastering Moodle video course by Silvina Hiller. I'm a certified legal translator and I have a post-degree in education. I have been using Moodle since its first release. I'm the author of Moodle Recipes. The course overview. In this course, we are going to deal with Section 1, Designing a Quiz. In this section, we are going to deal with creating and adding a new quiz in Moodle, adding question to the quiz, designing a drag and drop quiz activity with images, adding drop and drop activity combined with true or false quiz, submitting the activity and checking the grades. In Section 2, we are going to deal with working with polls. In this section, we are going to deal with designing a poll within Moodle, designing a graph after the poll, exploring multimedia poll tools, embedding external polls in Moodle, creating an activity using the polls. The first three sections deal with creating things in Moodle, creating activity, designing things that we can work in a different way in Moodle. In Section 3, we are going to deal with creating an online test, embedding the online test in Moodle, creating a test within Moodle, setting the rules for the test, assessing the test. The second part of the course deals with gamification. So in Section 4, we are going to deal with gamification, applying gamification to Moodle. In this section, we are going to take a look at why gamification, creating resources for a gamified course, adding a profile completion badge, obtaining a profile completion badge, adding a course completion badge. Section 5 deals with tools for gamification. In this section, we are going to take a look at allowing activity completion when designing an activity, creating threaded activities or resources, adding an activity completion badge, adding an activity result block, exploring blocks for gamifying courses. The last section of the course deals with badges. So, the first section deals with creating activities in different ways, and the second part of the course deals with gamification. So, the last section of the course deals with badges, the role of badges in a gamified Moodle course, creating a badge from scratch, deciding the criteria of the badge, adjusting the size of the badge for the gamified Moodle course, uploading the badge to the gamified Moodle course. Acknowledgements. Many thanks to my wonderful teamwork at Pact Publishing, to my beloved 12-year-old son Nico, to my love Jorge, to my family and friends, and to Moodlers. I hope you enjoy the course.